Okay, so I'm looking for the total number of characters in a series of words inputted by the user, and it'll output the average number of characters in the word. So I'm going to first get my sentence. I'm going to ask for input. What is sentence to count? Total number of characters. So I can use the length function, so I can say print. Actually, I'm going to set a separate variable for that. I say that sentence length is equal to my length of sentence. So I can now, I'm putting it as a variable because I'm going to be able to use that information later. So I'm now going to say print, print, I have to total number of characters. Your sentence has comma sentence length comma characters. Okay, so sentence length is a number, so I can't add the strings together, so that's why I'm separating my parameters in the print statements with commas. Let me just test to see if this runs. Sentence I want to add, I'm just going to say the letter A. It has one character in it, so that's good. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that would give me an 8. Okay, so that seems to be working. And then it should then output the average number of characters in each word. Well, average number of characters, I need to figure out how many words there are. So really, the number of words is going to be separated by, count the number of spaces to calculate the number of words. So number of words is going to be what is it? Is it the count function? Number of words, can I say count sentence? Can I count spaces? Number of words, let's see if that works. No, the count is not. So I'm going to go back and check my code. This is working with strings when one counts.
You can do factorial in one line. You can do factorial
String.count. Okay, string.count. So I'm going to come back. So I want string.count the sentence and how many spaces are in it. See if that works. Okay, so I put a space at the end. So the concept is kind of running. This is a test. So it counted 3 spaces. But of course, there's actually 4 words. So print, I can say number of words is that plus 1. Because the number of words is going to be the number of spaces plus 1. If I just put in 1 word, there'll be no spaces. So that would be 0 and then plus 1. So this is a test, 1, 2, 3, 4, if not printing that correctly. So it should then output the average number of characters in each word. So my average is going to be the sentence length, but I shouldn't be including the spaces because I want to know all the characters that are there. So it's going to be my sentence length subtract my num words. Remember num words minus 1, or let's say subtract string count sentence space. All right, so I need to remove the spaces from figuring out how long, how many characters are there, because I really want to know the characters without spaces, because a space wouldn't be included in the length of the word. So that's going to be that divided by the number of words that are divided by num words. So I'm now going to print num words comma my average to test to see if this works. So this is a test. So 14 characters in it, of which 1, 2, 3, there's 3 spaces. That means there are 11 characters. 11 characters that aren't spaces. Divide that by 4. 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. So the code seems to be working. So now I need to simply identify my output and say the number, the average number, your words have an average length of, and then I'll put my average value. So I'll run that one more time. This is yet another test. Your sentence has 25 characters and your words have an average length of 4.2. Okay, that's sort of how that could work.